The only way you lose is if you quit. Good day crew, and welcome to today's video with me, Editor Zoë, for the Video Confidence Coach. Today, the real Zoë has a hoarse voice and sounds absolutely terrible. So right now I'm taking charge, which is why today's video is going to be a little shorter and a little quicker. My goal was to create a unique set of content, 5 days a week for the entire year. And now this is the first time I've gotten sick in almost over a year. Thanks to COVID and everyone keeping this distance, I've been relatively healthy. But I thought, oh no, I've run out of all these videos, and what do I do? How do I help people? If I can't have my voice, what do I do? But I found a way around it, using this AI version of my editor's voice of myself. Yes, it's not perfect. Yes, it's not great, but you can still understand me. You can understand that I am still going to do my best to keep pushing for you, to keep serving you, with no real expectation of getting anything back from you. Yes, it would be nice for you to maybe become my client. Follow me on any of my social medias, maybe even listen to my podcast. I'm not quitting. You don't see me here, not having something for you, not being able to serve people. Yes, I have to adapt, and I have to push all my clients' commitments away for a bit. And I have to move things around just to make it work for me, but I'm not giving up and I'm not quitting. And I'm sure that you could Google, or you could search other more impactful gurus and entrepreneurial leaders that will pump you up even more with being inspirational. But that's not what my plan is today. My plan today is to show you that just because you adapt does not mean you fail. Just because you change does not mean you fail. And the only way that you can lose is if you quit. So I've done my part. I've pushed out a video for today, even though this is nice and short and relatively easy to make. So I can go back to sleep in a sec. But I'm doing my best to be here for you. I'm not losing because I'm not quitting. And if right now you feel the same, if you feel like, why am I even pushing this hard? It's not worth it. Or maybe you're thinking about ways to build your personal brand while working in corporate or working for someone else. It can be easily done. Many people have done it, and having that security is not a bad thing. But that level to be able to come home and do your work still is what makes you you and will help you build your personal brand and anything much bigger than yourself. You can do this. You've come this far. And if you still want it, and if you're still hungry for it, keep going for it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, a little bit more lifelike. We'll see. Thank you to Sunny Lenarduzzi for the opening quote. Bye. Kiss.